Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will see that how we can submit our sitemap to Google Webmaster Tools to index our website in Google search engines or Bing search engine or any other search engine. So here on the WordPress you can see that we have this website, and we also have used SEO. So if for example you have a custom website, you can create your own custom sitemap. The sitemap is actually in XML format, or you can go to the Google and you can type here sitemap generator, and you will find out some free sitemap generators as well, and you can actually create or generate the sitemaps for your website. For example, go to this, enter your URL here, and it will automatically create a sitemap for your website. And then you can download that XML file, and then you can upload that XML file to the cPanel, and in the result your website will be indexed, sitemap will be created, and then that sitemap link you can add to the Google Webmaster Tool or Bing Webmaster Tool. So in our case we already have used, so we can directly go to the used, and we can go to the settings section of the used SEO. And this plugin already have the XML sitemap feature. So here you can see the sitemap features, and you can see writing, readability, analysis, enable feature, which is insight, etc. And here you can see that enable feature, okay, which is this feature, include language, okay, insights, and then we have site structure, we have account, we have link suggestions, we have open graph, Twitter, we have some other modules here, tools, admin, and then here you can see XML sitemap. So that's great. This is also already enabled, and so it means that this sitemap is already enabled. So if we click on this link, view the XML sitemap, click on this, you will see that our website already have this sitemap, and this is the link of our sitemap. Here you can see that the passpantv.com/sitemap index.xml. okay, so this is the link which we have to add on our webmaster tool. Okay, so if the sitemap is actually the organized structure of your website on this page. So here you can see, if we click on, for example, this sitemap.xml, which is this specific sitemap.xml file for the posts, you can see that every post is displayed here. Okay, so this is the link which we want to include in Webmaster Tools. So how we will do that? We will go to the Webmaster Tools, and here we will add a new property. On the left side here you can click here, and we can add a new property, and here you can see that we can add a domain. So in this case, if you will add a domain, you can see that all URLs across all the subdomains and all URLs HTTPS or HTTP, and then we have the request DNS verification is necessary for this. Okay, and the other is URL prefix, which is also for only URL under a relevant domain. Okay, and this thing we will select URL prefix, and here we will add our domain name. So our domain name is HTTP. okay, I will just copy it, we don't need to write it manually, just copy it, go to here and just paste it here, and now we will just click on continue, and now you can see that he is asking us for verifying property. So, and now you can see that we are not actually verified, and he is giving us a download this file, or the other upload the file to, this is HTML file method. So also we have a upload a file, we have other methods as well, we can connect it with that, but for now we will just download this file. So let's download it, and we have to upload this file to the cPanel main files of our website. So pass1tv.com/cpanel, we'll just type it cpanel, and then we will just go to our back end, and we will add this file on the main section, okay, which is public HTML. So here you can see that we can open the file manager section, and then we can go to the public HTML, which is the main directory of our website, and here we will upload this file, okay. So let's click on upload, and here we will simply drag drop this file over here, okay, and now it's uploaded. We will just refresh the reload these files, and now you can see that this file is added here. Now we will return back to the property, and we will just click on verify, and it should verify our website, hopefully. So that's great. So you can see our ownership is verified. So we will just simply click on go to property, and now this is our property. You can see we have no charts, it's totally blank because we didn't have anything over here, okay. So simply we will just go to the here on the left side you can see site maps section. So we'll just click here on the site map, and here we have to add our URL. So here is our URL for the site map. So let's copy this URL, and we will just go here, and we will just paste the URL here, and we will just delete this thing, okay. You can see that telcom / the link is already there, okay. So we will just add the site map underscore index.xml, and then we will just click on submit, and it will start submitting our site map, and got it. And you can see that it is actually added, but it couldn't fetch our site map, okay. So the type is unknown, and no issue, after some time it will be fetched out by this crawler, okay, sitemap crawler. Otherwise, if it didn't, then yeah, now you can see that it's successfully added, okay. So now if we click on this, you can see that it will show us that it didn't have discovered the pages currently, but it will discover the pages after some time. If we will check it tomorrow or day after tomorrow or some days after that, you will see that the pages will be indexed from this sitemap. So this is the process by which you can say that we can actually submit our site maps on Google Webmaster Tools. Similarly, Bing Webmaster Tool is also very important factor, so I will just show you this as well. So let's add a site, and then we can just add your site manually. So let's add it, or put your site, or okay, I will just add my site manually. Just delete this on the site, add it, and now this site will be added, and it will also ask us to verify, hopefully, and we will repeat the process of verifying. So let's wait for some seconds. So I tried it with the www and without www, but for now it's not actually, yeah, I think we have to add the slash in the end maybe. that can be a reason. So let's check it out, or maybe the Bing server is not available this time. Maybe this can be. So sometime it happens, so after some time you can repeat the process again. So I will just give it final try, otherwise we already have learned that how you will do that, and the similar process will go on with Microsoft Bing or any other webmaster tools search console. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you that there are certain tools like if we just type in Google site, or you can say search engines submission and online. Okay, just check it out, and you can see that you will find out some websites, and this is also useful, although people will not maybe recommend this, but it's always useful, and this website is quite good. And here you can see that you will simply come here and you will just click here to submit your site, and simply you will just add your site link like passpantv.com. Then you will just add your name if you want to add, and your email address. Okay, and I will just do this, and here you can see I have read the terms, and here you will include the search engines, and then you will just submit your site. It will take some seconds, and then it will add your website to different search engines automatically. So it is also a good practice. Okay, for some reason it's not adding out our website, so no problem, we can do this later on. So you can see that it's already added here, passpantv.com. I don't know why, but it's already added, and the similar process we will repeat here. Okay, passpantv.com, and here you can see the HTML file, which XML file, which we will just download, and on the C panel we'll just go here on the top and upload, and we will upload the file. That's it. Now this will be verified, hopefully. Reload, and we will just move back, and you can see submission is going on, processing. And also if we go to Bing, we will just click on verify, and now hopefully it should be verified. So hopefully you understand the process that how we can submit our website on different search engines. You can see site edition done, and here for this webmaster tools we will just go to sitemaps again, and here we will add our sitemap. So this sitemap is added here. That was the actually the older one. In past I have tried the passpantv, and that passpantv is not now available, so we'll just delete the old map, and we will just submit a sitemap, and we will have the sitemap link, which is here. Just copy it, and we'll just submit here. I think we have to paste full link, and then we will just submit, and you can see processing is going on, and submit it, and let's refresh it, and you can see processing is going on. So after some time it will be processed, and it will be ranked in Bing search engines as well. So this is the process I have shared with you to okay, please verify your email address. This is one of the time verification processing, email done. Okay, so I think we have to go to email and just click here and we'll just verify it. Okay, verify membership. Okay, rest has been verified. And now if you move back and click submit your website again, and contacting search engines, yeah, now it will be submitted. You can see now our website is submitted here. That's great, that's great. Okay, so this is the extra step which I have shared with you. Definitely you will get some emails from different verification sites if you need to verify certain specific websites. So you can just open that emails and just verify that emails. So okay, and then we have this one. So that's great. So in this way you can see that we have submitted our sitemap to Bing, Google Webmaster Tools and other search engines. That's it for this video. Goodbye.